Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple but powerful setting on the X app that lets your followers see which spaces you're listening to. If you enjoy connecting with others through live audio conversations, this feature can help friends, fans, and followers discover new discussions you're tuning into in real time. Let's walk through the updated steps so you can turn it on in just a few taps. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look for your profile icon in the top left corner and give it a tap. This will take you to your profile menu, where all your personal and account options live. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can fine-tune everything about your X experience, from your personal information to how other people interact with you. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section controls all the visibility options for your account, and it's also where the Spaces settings can be found. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for and select Spaces. This is the feature on X that hosts all those engaging live audio rooms. Now, you'll see the option for Let Followers see which spaces you're listening to. Simply toggle this setting on. Once it's enabled, your followers will be able to see the spaces you're currently listening to, giving them an easy way to join in the conversation and making your experience on X even more interactive. And that's it. You've just activated a feature that can help bring your community closer together. The next time you're enjoying a live space, your followers will see it, and who knows, they might pop in and share the moment with you. This small setting can open the door for great conversations and shared experiences. So go ahead, turn it on, and let others discover the amazing spaces you're part of.